How to make homemade molten strawberry chocolate cake. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. Today, we have a delicious treat in store for you, homemade molten strawberry chocolate cake. If you're a fan of the irresistible combination of chocolate and strawberries, you're in for a real treat. So, let's dive right into the ingredients you'll need and the step-by-step preparation process. For the cake, 1. Half cup unsalted butter. 2. 4 ounces semi-sweet chocolate. 3. 2/3 cup all-purpose flour. 4. Half cup powdered sugar. 5. 2 large eggs. 6. 2 large egg yolks. 7. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. A pinch of salt. For the strawberry filling, 1 cup fresh strawberries, diced. 2 tablespoons granulated sugar. For the topping, powdered sugar for dusting. Fresh strawberries for garnish. Vanilla ice cream, optional. Preparation: the cake. Step 1. Prepare the strawberry filling first. Let's create the luscious strawberry filling. In a small saucepan over medium heat, combine the diced strawberries and granulated sugar. Stir and cook for about 5 minutes until the strawberries become soft and release their juices. Remove from heat and set aside. Step 2. Melt the chocolate and butter now. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the unsalted butter and semi-sweet chocolate. Microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring in between, until the chocolate and butter are completely melted and smooth. Step 3. Combine dry ingredients in a separate mixing bowl. Sift together the all-purpose flour and powdered sugar. This ensures there are no lumps in our cake batter. Step 4. Mix the wet ingredients in another bowl. Whisk together the eggs, egg yolks, and vanilla extract until well combined. Then, gradually pour in the melted chocolate and butter mixture, whisking continuously. Step 5. Combine wet and dry ingredients now. Pour the wet mixture into the bowl with the dry ingredients. Gently fold everything together until you have a smooth, thick batter. Step 6. Assemble the cake's grease and flour your ramekins or muffin tins. Spoon a small amount of the chocolate batter into each, filling them about halfway. Create a well in the center of each cake and add a spoonful of the strawberry filling. Step 7. Bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. Place the filled ramekins on a baking sheet and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. Step 8. Serve. Carefully remove the cakes from the oven using oven mitts, as they'll be hot. Let them cool for a minute, then run a knife along the edge to loosen them. Invert each cake onto a plate, and you'll see that gorgeous molten strawberry chocolate center ooze out. Step 9. Garnish and enjoy. Dust your cakes with powdered sugar, add a few fresh strawberry slices, and if you like, serve them with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for an extra treat. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. And there you have it, folks, our homemade molten strawberry chocolate cake. It's a delightful dessert that's sure to impress your family and friends. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and leave your comments below. We'll be back with more delicious recipes soon. Enjoy your cake. Thank you very much.